Good morning. So I have stuff out everywhere right now. Some new clothes, comfy PJs I just bought. These are so comfortable. Cozy these are. I am going to start packing because I am off for Chantel and Jen's combined Bachelorette this weekend. So it's a long weekend. We're going to Montana. Cute little bathing suit I got with a little heart. I love yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors to wear, especially if you have a tan. It's like a little tube top, which I thought was cute. It's white. Yellow dress. There's just lots going on and we have lots of themed nights. So over here, I have this black dress. How pretty is this? It kind of reminds me of Chanel, but it's like a black and white event that we're gonna do. This is for like diamond and forget the name of it, but I have this. I have a jean skirt. There. Look at these. We have rhinestone cowgirl boots, which a lot of my friends are wearing these too, but definitely fun. And then we also have a leopard night, which I need to find my outfit because it's from the girls' party from their 3rd birthday. So I still have that I'm gonna wear. Pack all of my makeup. I'm gonna bring my little mini tote as well. So I thought I would do that all with you today. And of course, I'm gonna be packing a lot of stuff. We have so many themed nights. It's, I think, 3. Really excited. Also had to all get cute pajamas, so I got these lace pink PJs. I just have to find the top. Okay, so the whole time I thought I was filming and it was actually in slow-mo, so I have to refilm everything. I have already packed though, and I wanted to just show you guys what I brought instead of just refilming it because I don't have as much time as I would like, so because I literally filmed it all. So right here we have the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. I'm definitely bringing that. I just got sent the Glow Recipe Dewy Defense Hydrating Fluids, so I'm excited to try this. Oh, I don't go anywhere without this powder, the Kosas powder. This lasts all day, all night. I'm obsessed with this cloud set. And so got Summer Fridays. This is their latest one, limited edition. And then also right here we have the, I don't know if it's in Beauty Project, but I think that's what they're called. And then it's the Extreme Cream Firming and Lifting Moisturizer. And then my Elemis, this is my favorite product for removing my makeup, so I have that. The moisturizer right here, Dew Drops Watermelon Glow, but you get a really, really nice summer glow, and I've been raving about it, the Patrick Ta Body Glow Oil. This is so nice. It smells heavenly, and finish it gives you. It's just a nice glisten for the summer, and bring that with me. We also have the Dew Balm Stick Summer Fridays Moisturizer, and then this is my favorite eye pen, so it helps with cooling underneath the eyes. It's great in the morning. So of course I'm not gonna forget my multivitamins. That is a must for a trip. You guys know I've been taking the Ritual pills I think for almost 4 months now, and the Synbiotic has been my absolute favorite. It's a 3-in-1, so it's a prebiotic, probiotic, and a postbiotic for your gut health. I've noticed a huge change in my energy since I've taken these, and you guys can see me in the gym, and I've just been getting up early in the mornings. I've also been sleeping a lot better since I've been on this supplement right here, which is the sleep supplement, and it's got melatonin in it. And sleep is honestly the most important thing, you guys, especially when you have kids. Like, just feel like if you need energy, and you just feel so rejuvenated when you get a good night's sleep. So I definitely highly recommend these. This is my 2nd bottle now, and then I've also got my vitamin C, which I do not forget. I haven't overloaded them because I'm sure some of the other moms might need them too. Lots of electrolytes, but these dietary supplements are also vegan, and I will leave my coupon code so you guys get to save money and you have a little discount. Highly recommend them. And of course, thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love working with them, and again, just something that has been stuck in my everyday morning routine. Highly recommend them. So they're nice menthol flavor to it, like a minty flavor. But yeah, they have been just my absolute go-to. I also have my foundations in here. I think they're like at the bottom. My Doll 10, I really love that foundation, and since I just got a spray tan, I am a shade darker. And then over here we have all my makeup. So I'm bringing my newest launch, my lashes on. This makes your makeup last all day, all night, so that's perfect for Bachelorette. Favorite blushes right now. These are so gorgeous on. They look so natural, really pigmented, so it's Huda Beauty ones. And then also Rare Beauty. This is just my favorite luminizer. And bronzer right now, I've been really loving the Rare Beauty bronzer. This is Always Sunny bronzer stick. This is the primer that I really like. It's hydrating. A lot of lip pencils. Patrick Ta foundation. I'm gonna mix that in with my Doll 10. Here we have the glaze lip oil. And I just got the Tower 8 one right here, which is also really good. These are goodies from Ryan and the girls. They got me body cream. I love this one. And I hope you guys all had a good Mother's Day. I got to relax and it was so nice. The Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask, which I already have, and I love this stuff. Sophia is always in my makeup and stuff, so I always tell you guys she's like a vanity girl, but I guarantee she saw this sitting on my vanity. I also got, oh, it's out already, but then Summer Fridays, the Lip Butter Balm. So they actually had a booth at Ipsy. It was a coffee bar. It turned out so cute. I posted it on Instagram, but if you guys want to check it out, show some love, it's just adorable. I'm so happy with how it turned out. We did pink lattes, but I have been loving a lot of the Ipsy bags, and I have some new products coming out in their bags soon, so I want to take this one with me because I love the pearls, and then put one of my keychains on it. I got the new YSL fragrance sent to me, and it smells so good. I'm gonna show you guys. Is the bottle right here. Look how pretty this is, and it smells so nice. I love YSL. Like, YSL's been my favorite brand, like luxury brand right now. I love lushes they came out with, and I just, oh, I'm definitely having a YSL moment, and this smells so nice for summer. Also just like sexy. Like, I love this scent. It's so nice. Really sweet scent. The Kayali Boujee Marshmallow is really nice too. That I'm actually going to bring on my trip with me. So it's just the baby. It's just the little baby, and it looks so pretty, and I love the little... Actually, like, they have a bridal one too that I was going to do as a gift for the girls. But yeah, like, so blingy. I love it. Girls, these little bride clips. We have lots of other gifts and stuff, and like planning for decor. I'll try to vlog a little bit while I'm there. Minis that I plan to bring are like the RareBeauty. These are so cute. I love the Illuminizers. And then for everything else that I've packed right here, because I, again, literally filmed it, and then now I'm just having to go back and show you guys what I packed. So denim and, or no, is it diamonds and denim night? So that's the first night we have right here. And I got these rhinestone boots with this top that I have right here from Fashion Nova. And then we also have the leopard outfit that I need to pack, actually. Okay, so I have this skirt from the girl's birthday that I can wear. I just have to get or find the top for it. So, and we also have black and white night, which I got this really fancy dress. Look at the buttons. That's from Fashion Nova Luxe. So I just got this really cute yellow one. It has like a little heart on it too, which I always think yellow goes so nice with a tan. Little pearl heart. We have some tube tops. This is just like a plain white one. We have a gray dress. Or I don't think it's gonna be that nice, so I'm not packing like too much summery clothes, just for the nights that we all like obviously have themes. Here I'm gonna bring some sweaters with me too. My flip-flops. We have Polaroid camera. It's like such a nice thing to bring for an event like this. I try to like take Polaroid cameras everywhere I go, and I have albums from like the girls' birthday parties and everything like that, so it's nice to have that. Bride clips right here. I have this jean skirt that I got. I don't even know if it fits. So that is obviously supposed to go with the denim and diamonds night. Let's just hope it fits. If it doesn't, I might have to borrow something from one of my friends. We are on to lunch now, because packing is obviously a whole production and takes all day, especially when you're filming. But I have a salad right here. Salads are my go-to. I just did ranch, lettuce, cucumbers, nuts, and celery, and also cranberries. Packed. I've got my coffee sweater. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow for the drive. And then I've got all my makeup packed. I've got my makeup case there with skincare and everything, and all my clothes. So I'm finally done. That felt like it was all day, and I will be on Instagram. And if you guys want to follow me there, I'll probably do some stories and stuff. Good morning. I am here with my coffee latte. I also have my little mic as well. We are going to do a little coffee and chit chat. These are my favorite to get ready with you and just chat about things in life and random things that we love to talk about in the morning, especially after a sip of coffee, because you know, I'm a coffee lover, coffee girly. Can we just stay in pajamas all day long, please? Like, can we just make that a thing? I want to go shopping today in my pink PJs. Maybe like a maxi dress. So many options in the summer. I just love it. This new pink dress, this is actually very cute. Might go in with something like this and like a white cardigan. Okay, this Patrick Ta body oil. This is next level. Some hoop earrings. I feel like friendships is something that come and go throughout our life. We learn so much as we get older. I, to this day, think it's one of the biggest things in your life that you should value and appreciate. So one thing I used to do when I was younger, I definitely was one of those quantity over quality girls. I remember having to have like 50 people at my birthday, whereas now I love a good solid 5 friends and less is more. I also think one of the most negative toxic traits in having in a friendship is jealousy. That's something we all have done. You get older, you definitely stop caring about those things. And I actually met up with one of my old friends, my closest friends that I basically grew up with during my 20s. And she actually said to me, how do you stay in touch with all your friends? You're such a connector. You've always just, you know, put in that effort. That's exactly it, you guys. I feel like the friendships that I've had throughout my life, I have no problem messaging you after 3 years and just being like, hey, let's go for a cup of coffee. People that have given me something throughout my life, I will just like randomly start thinking about someone and pop up into my head. And I'm like, why have I not talked to this person? It blows my mind how fast time goes by. And also we all have families, we have kids taking over our energy and our time. And time is so valuable and so are friendships. So putting in that extra work and just making sure that you're trying to reconnect those energies and those people that have brought so much happiness and joy to your life. Grateful for so many people that have come and gone throughout my life. Friends that are absolutely hilarious, that make me laugh. Friends that are very spiritual. I have friends that couldn't be more opposite than me. My best friend that I've known since grade 1, we're polar opposites. But if someone has meant something to you in your life, I definitely suggest reaching out. Be surprised on just how much of a feel good that is. Someone know that they've affected your life. They've brought positive light to your world. I am back from my trip. Yes, I am sick. The girls are sick too. So it's been a little longer of a week, but I wanted to just share with you guys the Bachelorette clips from the 4-day weekend. It was amazing and we had such a good time. But I bought a few things when I was out in the States that I couldn't get in Canada. So I wanted to show you, but this was what we did here. We put the names on the beige travel cases. And I also got a fragrance. One of the girls actually works for this line and I mean, it's just one of my favorite fragrances. It's the Carolina Herrera fragrances and they're like shoes. And I also bought this pretty top. I think it was from like TJ Maxx or Ross or something. Nice beachy pants. I mean, you get such good deals when you're out in the States. It's crazy. I also got this mama ring. I'm really excited to put that on. A little dainty bracelet because I love those. Yes, my spray tan's coming off now. Did a lot of hot tubbing, so I knew that was going to happen. For the diamonds and denim night, we did like blues. So the girls put like a bunch of stuff in here. Recovery patch. I didn't even get to try that. I should have. In here too, they put like a Laneige lip balm, some electrolytes, face masks. So we went to Ulta and I was so excited to try the Kopari. We can't get this in Canada, which sucks, but I've seen this everywhere. This is the Sheer Body Mist, a little spray bottle. I can't wait to use that. And I got a mini. They had a bunch of sets, so Chantel got some of these too. I really want to try this. It looks so bronzy. I can't get the Polite Society in Canada, so I got the Cabana bronzer. So this is the shade right here. I love the packaging. It's really sleek. It's soft. So got this little kit right here that they had because I wanted to try the mascara. It's like I might as well get the kit. And then I also wanted to try out one of their blushes. These are so cute. Now I got this shade because I thought I can use it for a bronzer and a blush. Something out the house. Those 2 e.l.f. eyeshadows. I just thought they were really pretty, like champagne colors. And over here, I am filming today, even though I'm sick. Flower Nose sent me over their new collection. It's giving mermaid vibes. It's so pretty, so I'll have that on my Instagram. Actually, like, I wanted to reset up my perfume area because now I have so many perfumes. I want to just like do a cute little tray and have all my fragrances on it. I also have my little bridesmaid cup right here, so that is really cute too. And down here, we actually have really cute keychains that came with the Flower Nose package. So I did open one already. Saw a ton of the Paris Hilton line out there, which we can't really get that much of here in Canada. This was like $3. Wow. For my kitchen. Found one more bottle of the Kapari, so I just got a bunch of stuff from that brand. It's always nice when you can get something that you can't get in Canada. Enjoyed today's video. A huge thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to use my coupon code. I'll have it on the screen. Guys, have an amazing week and def some love in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Very small.